Hey there, folks. Welcome to our channel. You know, retirement should be the golden years, a time to kick back and enjoy the fruits of your labor. But too many people are worried about money during retirement. That's no good. We're going to fix that right now. In this video, we're diving into 10 smart habits I call money-saving hacks that will help you stretch your money during retirement and keep those golden years truly golden. We're going to have some fun with this, so buckle up, get your notepad ready, and let's get started. First things first, you got to have a plan for your money. Just like you wouldn't drive across the country without a map, you can't navigate retirement without a budget. Write down every single penny that comes in, your social security, your pension, that side hustle you've got going, everything. Then list out all your expenses. Don't forget those sneaky little things like streaming services and that daily latte habit. Now here's the important part. Prioritize your needs over your wants. You need a roof over your head and food on the table, but you don't need that fancy new gadget or designer handbag. Track your spending like a hawk, using a budgeting app, a good old-fashioned spreadsheet, or even just a notebook. You'll be surprised where your money is going and where you can cut back. Listen, I get it. That big, beautiful house holds a lot of memories. But it also holds a lot of expenses. Property taxes, utility bills, maintenance. They can eat up your retirement savings faster than you can say early bird special. Now, I'm not saying you have to live in a cardboard box, but consider downsizing to a smaller home, renting a cozy cottage, or even relocating to an area with a lower cost of living. Think about it. You could free up equity, lower those pesky utility bills, and have less upkeep to worry about. Plus, who needs all those extra bedrooms anyway? Unless you're running a bed and breakfast for squirrels, you can probably get by with less space. Imagine this, you on a beach somewhere sipping margaritas with the money you saved by downsizing. Doesn't that sound like a dream retirement? Now, I know you've worked hard your whole life and you deserve that social security check, but hear me out. If you can delay taking your benefits, you could be looking at a much larger payday later on. Think of it like this. Every year you wait, your benefit amount increases. That's free money, folks. And it's not just a one-time bonus, it's a higher inflation-adjusted income for life. I know it's tempting to start collecting those checks as soon as you turn 62, but if you can hold off until age 70, you'll thank yourself later. Trust me, your future self will be doing a happy dance while you're cashing those bigger checks. Let's be honest, healthcare costs can be scary, but don't worry, we're going to tackle them head on. First, choose the right Medicare plan for your needs. Do your research, compare options, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Next, take advantage of those preventive services, like annual checkups and screenings. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure, and it can save you a bundle in the long run. And here's a simple but effective tip. Use generic medications whenever possible. They're just as effective as the brand name stuff, but at a fraction of the cost. Remember, taking care of your health is an investment in your future, both physically and financially. Now, I'm not talking about being cheap, I'm talking about being smart with your money. Embrace those frugal habits that our grandparents swore by, like cooking at home, using coupons, buying in bulk, and shopping during sales. You'd be amazed at how much money you can save by simply cutting back on those restaurant meals and impulse purchases. Plus, cooking at home is healthier and a lot more fun than staring at your phone while you wait for takeout. Remember, every dollar you save is a dollar you can spend on something you truly enjoy, like travel, hobbies, or spoiling those grandkids. You've worked hard to build your nest egg, so you don't want to blow it all in one go. That's where a smart withdrawal strategy comes in. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, but a lot of folks recommend withdrawing no more than 4% of your portfolio each year. This helps ensure that your money lasts as long as you do. Another option is to use a dynamic withdrawal method, which adjusts your withdrawals based on market conditions. This can help you avoid selling your investments at a loss during a downturn. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Don't be that squirrel who gobbles up all his nuts at once. Chapter 7, Reverse Mortgages, Turning Your House into a Piggy Bank. Now, I know what you're thinking. A reverse mortgage? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it can be a great option for some folks, but it's important to understand how it works before you jump in. If you've got a lot of equity in your home, a reverse mortgage lets you convert some of that equity into cash. You can receive payments as a lump sum, a line of credit, or regular monthly installments. The best part, you get to stay in your home and you don't have to make any monthly payments on the loan. The loan is repaid when you sell the house, move out permanently, or it's not for everyone, but if you're looking for a way to supplement your income and stay in your home, a reverse mortgage could be worth considering. Chapter 8, Work Optional. From retirement to re-inspiration. Retirement doesn't have to mean sitting on the couch all day watching reruns of your favorite game shows. If you're feeling antsy, why not try part-time work, consulting, freelancing, or even turning a hobby into a side hustle? Not only will it bring in some extra cash, but it'll keep you engaged, challenged, and feeling young. Plus, let's be honest, sometimes it's good to get out of the house and interact with other humans besides the mail carrier and the cashier at the grocery store. Who knows, you might even discover a hidden talent or passion you never knew you had. Chapter 9, Transportation Savings. Ditch the gas guzzler. Let's face it, cars are expensive. Between the car payments, insurance, gas, maintenance, and parking, those costs can really add up. But here's the good news. There are plenty of ways to save money on transportation. Try driving less, carpooling with friends using public transportation, or even downsizing to one car. Think about it. Do you really need that gas-guzzling SUV if you're just driving to the grocery store and back? Maybe a fuel-efficient sedan or a snazzy little hybrid would do the trick. Your wallet and the environment will thank you. Chapter 10. Insurance Checkup. Don't overpay for coverage. Last but not least, let's talk about insurance. Now, I'm not saying you should skimp on important coverage, but you'd be surprised at how many people are overpaying for insurance they don't need. Take some time to review your policies annually. Your home insurance, car insurance, life insurance, the whole shebang. Make sure you're not paying for coverage you don't need, and don't be afraid to shop around for better rates. Another way to save is to increase your deductibles. This means you'll pay more out of pocket if you have to file a claim, but it will also lower your premiums. Remember, insurance is there to protect you from financial disaster, not to nickel and dime you to death. Enjoy those golden years. Well, folks, there you have it, 10 hilarious ways to stretch your money during retirement. Remember, retirement should be a time to enjoy the fruits of your labor, not to stress about money. By adopting these smart habits, you can make those golden years truly golden. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great content. And be sure to share this video with your friends. Misery loves company, but so does financial freedom. Here's to a financially secure and happy retirement.